Ako.
Pareha nga ako. No.
7. Dahil ganun kang taho? Taho. Okay. Ay, kuya. 6 ka buo, kuya.
Kampiyon mo ito, si nanay. Okay, naligo.
Himsog, mangyapon kay ka, kuya.
Bugay na kayo panahon dahil.
Lagi, no? Dagan na kayo nausap.
Dahil dayot sa tuig.
Hmm.
Iya. Kagmay ko mataon na.
Gagmay pa kay May. Karon, ako na kay May. Karon, gamay gihapon. Huwag gihapon na tubo.
Buwang na dahil.
Ha? Dili man halata.
Hindi lang.
What sa ato ning ipanguan, ipampasa na ko ninyo.
Mark, waasa ni palihog. Nani contents ka ron?
Oo.
Sa una, wala pa.
Wala. Wala po. Wala po taon na.
Tamis na rin ito.
Hindi ang puyo dahil.
Ha?
Asam na yung puyo.
Naman ko sa Australia.
Aba?
Layo mo kaayo.
Lumahan na. Inyo naman.
Ganyan na, tuloy na ako sa anak. Tay, yung anak ay. Tay, pinamanguran ako.
Wala po.
Babae ni Kuya ay. Ano mo paglaki?
Di mag-vlog.
Ay, kadawat pa rin.
Walo okay?
Wala. Ay, ito kakasakto na ito kuya. Ano bilang kaya?
Ito po nung. Lapang po ito ah.
Lagi?
Nakising ka ko si Randra, te, ha?
Ha?
Nakising ka ko si Randra.
Oo, kami, di man lang sila.
Ah. Wala na?
Yeah. Pinastuhan na lang ako yan.
Salamat. Salamat tayo.
Bye-bye! Thank you, kuya!
Salamat.
Taho again! Oh my gosh! Well done, Koys! Tapos na ba yung upload ko? Alis
Asa na
kami
ka?
today, guys! Punta kaming ano? Hi, guys! Daan Bantayan. Oh my gosh, it did! It made it! Ay, thank you, Lord! Thank you, thank you, thank you! Nag-ano ako eh, ang aga ko nagising. Ang aga-aga ko nagigising dito. Kasi gusto ko mag-edit. So I've been waking up early. And kanina, natapos ko yung ine-edit ko. Nagawa ko din yung thumbnail and na-upload siya. I think I woke up 6 today. I've been waking up like mga ganyan, mga 6. And then, natapos siya. Thank you, Lord. Pero wala na akong isipin for 2 nights. Meron akong video for tonight. And then ito is for tomorrow night. Alright. Tapos ang dami pang aberya. Hindi talaga nakokompleto ang araw ng zigs kung walang aberya. Walang tubig na naman. Nakaligo naman ako. Si Mace yung naubusan talaga ng tubig. Kailangan niyang bumaba kasi naubos na yung tubig dun sa taas. Yung pondo. So, kailangan niyang bumaba para tapusin yung kanyang shower. Ay, nako. Ay, nako. Life is good. Alright. Ang init-init pa dito. Ay, alright. We'll leave it. It's checking now. Pero tapos na siya mag-upload. Very good. Malapit na ako matapos eh. Actually, tapos na ako. Tapos bigla sila sumigaw. May ano daw taho.
Panawa daw isa.
Makakapagtaho. Ayan, ayan. Nakita ko sa front. Ayun ay. Pero dapat dalawa yan. Yeah. Dumating yung laundry. Ito yung pinalaundry namin kahapon. There's more there. Meron naman na. Pero hindi ko alam kung akin yan. Okay lang yun ay. 1, 2. Yeah. Or i-check ko na ngayon. Taho muna kami ni D. Ito si D, mahilig to sa taho. Na-try niya to kahapon, first time. You want this? Not that, that's dirty. Ready? May kutsara sana. Ayoko nang gumamit ng kutsara, guys. Hugasan na naman, wala tayong tubig. Ano? Nada sa manakupakta ko Si Miss. Inday, pwede mangayo og ka ng gamay nga kutsarita, Inday? Please, thank you.
Toy in the beach, Mama.
Thank you.
I bring one toy in the beach.
You can, yes, you can bring your toy to the beach.
What's this?
Yan, taho. Oh, baby. May dala-dala pa yung pandesal yung Pinoy girl ko. Are you my Pinoy girl? Alright, here. Good job. Sarap ng taho. Buyag-buyag. Yummy, no? Yummy. Nakahubad siya. Init, oy. Mamaya natin ito palitan.
Mo lagi pangitali mo?
Ah.
Baka na. Manasok ka bagong na. Ha? Mo lagi na. Pero dapat
Dila ay ka na murag. Wala dyan na ako na. Wala siya na. Nakuan ako ato na. Nanangil ako dahil. Oh, dila at lasal to ako.
Sasa.
Itong black na mga dress ba?
Sasa lagi sa. Dito. Alam sa kasal pa doon. Dili dito. Siguro mo pa ako nito. Niwa ilis. Wala yung pulo sa iyo, ha? Niwa ilis. Wala pa ginaligo. Liguan
So, ang dalon kang maze na ibulsa. Nya.
Liguan na tani siya ni Mama Tin. Hindi na na.
Tugno kay mo eh.
Dili na water.
Kira na maligo ra ni dito kay mo swimming man ni dayon.
Duha kita na kung patulog ng gida.
Ay, good luck sana magkasya. Kasya naman to.
Boss!
Nung nagbuhol kami, kasya daw. Isang malaking luggage tapos mga bags lang.
Kita ni mo ba?
It's in the bag there. All the waters are there. Yeah.
Asam dulu ito.
Antok na to si D. Sana matulog lang siya sa car.
Kano nga sleeper te?
So it's gonna be, hindi, yung dala ni Mama din, nakita. It's gonna be just over 4-hour drive. And we will stop halfway para kumain. So hopefully matulog siya ng mga 2 oras. Tapos mag-stop. And then 2 more hours after that. Hala, pala ko anong toy, Mark? Beach toy. Naraay. What? Ito bong bong? Far away. Yeah, just... Lisuda na anak kanon. Ay, labay na lang na. Ay, haman sa ubos. Oh my goodness, it's hot. Naka-off na lahat. AC lahat. Ayun si Dan. Malab, how are you? Very good. Taranta ang lahat siya. Relax lang siya eh. Ha? Why? There's bags on the seats too? No, I think they will put it at the back once we're all seated. No, it won't fit? Okay. Super tight na daw. Just wait alo, okay? Careful ha, ate. So, atong position katong gabi, Iday? Sa luyo mo? Okay.
Suot na natulog.
Kausod na mo, Kaw. Si Mama.
Ikagutang nga.
Ala, kasod na.
Okay, tita ikaw.
Okay, you sit at the front then. O, diba? Kailangan talaga magdala ng backpack tong dalawang to. Apakasikip na ng car. Meron din sila sariling dala. Sige na. Ang init na. You good, guys?
Yes.
More space?
A lot of space.
Pwede pa daw. Pwede pa. Magkasya pa.
Pwede pa isa.
Mga dalawa doon sa likod. Dalawa din dito.
Pwede pa isa talaga.
Pwede pa. Indy's happy now. She's got mommy. You got mommy now? You've been good. You've been good. Thank you for being good. Sino-sino lang nakakaga sa kanya habang nagre-ready ako. What bag? Let's go! Yeah. Sorry, baby?
I leave my bag in the top.
Yeah, you have your bag.
In the bag, in the top.
I leave my bag in the top.
Sure.
You need to put your candy.
You alright, my love?
Yeah.
Okay na ka dong? Let's go!
Chick daw, boss. She got allergy on the readies.
Oh! Hello, can you please do the ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Mommy, ready?
Yes.
I see the one's ready.
Tito Wayne. Yes, yes.
Are you ready? Yes.
Ano ba? Nasa roll ko. Who else?
Are you ready?
Ready?
Are you ready?
Me? Yep.
Ah, you don't know the name.
Are you ready?
How about me, buddy?
Who am I? Who's that? Come on, how about the other ones? Go. Who else?
Daddy?
Yes, ready.
Mama.
Mommy's finished.
Yes. Tito.
Ready!
Tito Mom.
Ready?
Kalasan mo.
The dry.
Ryan.
How about the baby?
And they ready?
Yes.
Meow.
Everyone ready?
Everybody ready?
Yay! Oh, all ready?
Yes.
Yay! Ay, happy? Happy din?
So, ilan tayo, Mark?
Hindi man tayo nakapag-lip tint eh.
Tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Ready,
5, 6,
ready.
7, 8.
Ha?
9
Ilan?
nakago?
9? 9 adults?
Pero parang kasya man lang.
Wah.
Charet.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say
Happy na, we're almost there!
love you. Ooh, you. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
Guys, nandito pala kami sa Tuburan 360. Nag-detour tayo dito. Kain muna kami. Nakita lang namin nung nagsisearch kami. Baon. Oh, gahion na.
Gahion na, pero lamig ako.
Put doon? Di? Di? Thank you. Ano tinitingnan mo dyan?
Balik na, dara na, ikaw din yung sa...
You're the rose in a garden.
In fairness, ang ganda dito. Come on, boy! Ang layo nga lang, guys. Ang layo ng drive. Sobrang ano pa. Pataas. As in. Oh my gosh, it's nice.
And it shows if I'm on it.
Watch your step.
You're the leaves in it all.
Oh, we got the best one.
I've come out here to say you're the rose in a garden. And it shows if I'm on it. You're the leaves in it all, guess. And I've come out here to say that I love.
Perfect bodies in the shallow blue, drifting faster than they should. Golden hour paints a dream like you. Even dreams start fading too. I am leaving, tell me
Ganda ng view, guys.
treading water. I just need to let you escape.
Ang daming masasarap na food sa menu, kaya lang hindi available mostly ng mga order namin.
Taking toilet paper.
sir.
Oh!
Kuya, wag po ano. Okay na? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir. So we pay 80 pesos per person, but it's consumable, so we can use this to pay for the food or anything. Baby back ribs yan, guys, ubos na. Chicken inasal.
What do you want?
Rice. Native chicken soup. Pinakbit. May humba doon. Ah.
Nagkuhan ka, te?
Ah, thank you.
Soup.
Yes,
Asa? Asa mo na lang?
Here.
Where's my car? Mom?
You want here in this. Kain tayo, gutom na gutom na as. Kain na natin. Oh yeah, ay, thank you very much. Kain tayo. Okay. You want soup here? Si Arlo sad?
Where's my rock?
Here's spoon here. And then that one. Picture sa daw, te. Ha? Picture. Sige. Picture pa. Picture daw. Sabihin ko daw. Na picture daw na. Ate. Ate, ano? Picture.
1, 2, 3, smile.
You want soup? Ate, so that it's easier for you to eat the rice? Want me to put soup here? Oh, okay. Thank you, Rigo. Ang cute ni Mark at saka ni Indy. Look at Indy. Nakahat din siya.
Wait na, nasa kanan.
Ha?
Tawag.
Not sure. Let's see.
Na.
Nasa ubos.
Ako sa'yo ng kuhan.
Yeah. He looks so cute!
Tingnan na pa dahil na makakanto.
Tapos na kami dun, guys. DC.
Straight dito
To think na Monday tayo ngayon, DC. Ano straight? So, balik tayo sa baba. Tapos, diretso na tayo. Yeah.
back into there for?
Her change. She didn't take it before because it was too busy. So, okay, let's wait for him or we'll go there. We'll just go there. Yeah, let's go. Tara. Okay, habang may karga-karga. Kay D. Okay ra ka, Kel? Bili kami niyan. Torta. Sarap, oh. Brown pa, Jude.
Your palms are so similar.
I know, yeah.
It used to be gold.
Our 5 used to be gold.
Take two, girl.
Tag-coffee din.
Yeah.
Mama, mommy, I just stayed a lot.
Oh no, are you okay?
Ano din siya, mag-drink sa tag-coffee. Mga sa beach.
Kalayo sa beach.
Kalaisyo.
Babe, Arlo said, we'll just have coffee here and then we'll go to the beach there. How? Are we gonna get there? Helicopter?
Helicopter daw mo siya.
Napaya. Cute kayo.
Love is soft in the light. Come on, maybe at the poolside. Late July, you're on my mind. We were never meant for this life.
Hey, Arlo? No, don't. No. We're just waiting for a coffee and then we will go, okay?
Right here.
Ilang ganito, Ninigo?
235. Buwak yan, no?
Masarap na. Dahil sa mga gusto bumalik na He's almost done with the coffee. Malapit na kami, guys. May Jollibee na. When I looked it up, Jollibee is 6 minutes away from our accommodation. So malapit na tayo. Yeah, we're 6 minutes away. Yay! So this is their center, my love. It's busy. Ayan. Sakit na ng puwet ko kasi may batang tulog. Hindi ako makastretch.
Have you seen that
Tulog
video
kasi siya.
when Australian leaders
May
went
tiguang na tulog din.
US?
May batang tulog at tiguang na tulog.
Someone asked,
We're here, finally. Napakahaba ng biyahe. Ayun. It's under my name.
The beach.
Just wait.
They said the beach is closed today, Princess.
What?
The beach is closed today, they said.
What?
They said it's too windy.
Mommy, is that actually closed?
That is joking.
Storage.
Shoes? Smells good, baby? That's good. Was that mine? That was a long drive. How was your bum?
that was alright.
Yeah.
Your reservation number is Delta Family Villa naman, no?
Yes.
For nights.
I love it.
Say hi!
Babe, I'm here. Hello.
Oh, don't cry, they won't let us to the beach. Don't let us to the beach. Shh, shh, shh.
Did you have a good sleep?
For registration, please fill out the
Relax. What's wrong?
This one, ma'am, we
Your
collect
bed.
the tourist environmental fee 75 per person. Yellow guest names for mga families, including sa
I
kids.
thought we were gonna make some sandcastles together. We're making sand. All done.
Yep.
All done. Very nice.
Bye, guys.
I'll be down in the beach.
Yep. We are gonna follow them. Hold on tight, Alo.
I am safe.
Yeah. Oh no! Oh no! It's very quick, Alo.
I do this, I
Hello,
taught
Didi.
it. I do this, I taught it, Mama.
Hello, look. Hello. Look. Light.
I see the beach.
Very hot
La,
one sa
la, la, la. La, la, la. La, 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 la. I see
Hi, baby.
the boat.
You see the boat?
Yeah. La, la, la. La, 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 la. And just need to hold on.
Yeah, that's right.
And he's holding on to Jack. La 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 la. And he's holding on. La 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 la. Jack's sitting.
This is us.
La 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 la. La la la.
Guys, ang ganda. Hindi ganun kainit, mahangin. Wala na ang aking pamilya. Asa na sila? Ayun, nag-walking. Si Merwin nakatutok kay Indy. Ayun na. Medyo malayo. Nandito yung aming villa. So, family villa pala kami. Kasi alam niyo naman, napakadami namin. Oh, yeah. Thank you, sir. Salamat. Ay, ay, may kumakaing torta. Ay! 3 rooms. Meron kami extra beds. Parang 3 ata itong extra beds natin. Nandito yung master. Dito na yung luggage namin. Malaki naman yung bed. Nag-request pa kami ng extra more bed para kay Ayla. Para hindi na niya disturbuin yung iba. Ito yung merong ensuite. So, ganyan lang yung shower ng kanilang family villa. Ayan. Pero at least may heater. As ayan. And then, meron pang 2 more rooms. Ito yung binili namin sa Tuburan Cafe. Hindi siya, yung lasa niya, hindi parang authentic na torta. Yung authentic na torta, gustong gusto ko yun. Parang siya, mayroon siyang halo. Pero ang sarap pa din niya. Snacking kami, guys. Nice day, kaya dili init. Yeah. Yung hangin ba, makaya po.
Doon sa pool po ano.
Yeah, oo na. Yan ka na muna ng breakfast. Kaon mo mayo.
Pero ang gate may layo din.
Ang gate.
Sa main gate.
Pero pwede naman tayo mag-request sa kuan. Patod ka dito. Asa ka ulit na ka.
Masimbak. O mag-try kong simbak.
Oh, naa? Asa man daw?
Simba ka rin? Legit? Legit. Uy! Last mass ko sa year 2025.
Oh, yeah.
Kalos o din yung simba? Wednesday or
Ma.
Thursday.
Oh, share ta.
Kadlaw sa dili na makabanta. Jabis.
Oh, no. Ang sarap sa.
Hindi, mga 6 rason.
Asam ka simba? Asam ka simba?
Gara ka bugog.
Kalmahara dara rabugo kalayo
10 minutes dere. 10
Ano ba?
minutes dere.
Ano sa ma'am sa akin?
Nari, tricycle.
May mataka dara.
Murag taga dere ba?
Mura siya correct siya. Nari-try
Nam ko igago dere ko.
Ama ba? Ang makaapa sa bileta ka.
Sa
Sa kalayo, man, ka mo commute di ay. Tukot man ta. Sa kalayo.
Nakuan siya dere na teacher. Pero
Alright.
umot lang, nag-transfer na ba siya? Dugay-dugay naman ko.
Uma.
Ako pa siya ta.
Sarap.
Pero, init na din yung bansang rasa.
Ah, sud lang ka. Indot lang.
Kabuntag ba nila kilo siya?
Di ba nang kape-kape?
Kapi lang.
Kape-kape lang.
Kape-kape.
Alam mo, dito nagkakape. Ay, patong kape ko, gila.
Tanawa na nabay kaldero ito kay magluto ng rice.
Kayo.
Mahal man kayong adlaw dali magluto ng tag rice ug noodles.
Gano dito galing natin. Naglalaro ng sand yung mga bata doon. I mean, si Ayla na lang kasi si Dan at saka si Arlo pumunta ng pool. Ito si Indy, tingnan niyo. Binabantayan ni Tito binabantayan ni Tito Marvin. Ang bilis tumakbo. Didi! What are you doing? Run! Run! What are you doing? Can I borrow? No? Pugawa na aning bata ay. Hugawit. Ligo na eh. Pati na hugawit mo kailan. Ay, natapos na. Kanina pa siya nagpo-push up dun. Ito si D. Ang bilis mo naman tumakbo, di. Hindi na niya ako pinapansin eh. Hello? Where are you going? Oh, Daddy's coming. I can see Daddy. He's coming with Alo. Yep, you have to wear your vest, okay? Okay. Not yet. They called me again just to check if we really want it because they said, oh, you've got extra beds there already. I said, yeah, in the master bedroom. Gabi na. Ay, gabi na guys. Yung mga anak namin dinala ng fam-bam kung saan-saan. Ang natira dito, ang natira ako, si Mark, si Dan, at saka si Miss. Puntahan natin sila kasi tumawag si Ranran. Sabi niya, punta kayo dito. Nandun ata sila sa game room. So I'm not sure if Indy is awake. I do not know. We will see. But ang ganda dito so far. Gusto naman siya ni Dan. Nandito kami sa Candaya Resort, Daan, Bantayan. Ay, look at that. Very festive. Oh, Merry Christmas from... What's DLC? What's say DLC? Pasalubong. Ay. Ang ganda. May gym dyan. Ang katabi ng gym is the games room. Oh, tapos may toilet shower dito. Galing! Hi! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Babe, dart. Dart? Yeah. So you can go in here. Yeah, there. Cool. It's very careful, Ayla. Don't do it. This is nice. Tapos kami lang yung tao dito. Tingnan niyo sila. Okay. It's just us here. Di, close the door. No, this way. Ah, may ganyan. Nagtungay kong daghang kigtaw. Times 10 din kasaba di ay. Ihawhog na niya, maigo na yung tiil. Good job.
Kuha ka namin paluwa ko eh. Ha? Kapay na, nagiging ako rin si Kishan.
Ay! Suga na ni mga bata ay.
Princess.
Ay! Jollibee. Bida ang saya. You alright?
Chicken oh, done.
Yeah,
Chicken,
I'll
yeah.
grab some chicken.
Grab
I'm not-
chicken
not
and-
gonna play.
Kalang sige, hang tayo ng kuan.
This is the meaty part. Someone.
Nga ba ano nga doon kasi sila katag sa ubang pero hindi una.
Here.
Mao ba?
Tama ba, Day? Oh yeah, that's wrong.
So dapat suko jumuday.
No, run.
Amen ika.
Ikang. Ask them for more gravy. Took them forever.
Unsay unahon nila day?
Yung na pa nilang uban customer.
Oo ba ginagmay mo order ka ba?
They're really slow at Jollibee.
There's, I think there's already open.
Linya ta.
No? Okay.
That's been an hour.
Yeah.
Yes, si
So sabi ko kanina, mag-Jollibee lang tayo para mabilis. Kasi matagal na kami nag-order.
What happened? What happened? Kanila giro ko yung one ko ani oh.
Be that.
Bitaw na.
Diba? Ano na yung sinasabi?
Naanak ka nga madali.
Can you say
Oh yeah.
Mom?
Sabi ko mag-Jollibee kami para mabilis. Kasi late na kami naka-dinner. Naglalaro kasi sila dun.
Sayang
Sabi ko, yeah, order na lang tayo.
Ate,
2 hours later. Ang tagal doon ng Jollibee nila dun. Dami din kasi ng order namin.
It's like
Tapos inuna daw yung mga small orders ba?
After my like that, run.
basta yung nana dapat makuan mag-wait sila nga masuko ka before nila na. Lugay na kami gabaro kay gawas. Sa gawas to din.
Karoon sa rin, lingam sa rin.
Banding sila ko pato. Banding mo? Gi-kuan ninyo, vlog ninyo?
Wala.
Yan, nabito ko cute sila. Wala ko yung bilas.
Na nagpa-picture na dad dito.
Mo ba?
Yeah.
Siya na isa.
Hindi mo ta. Pero dad din siya. Hindi anak man na. Akong anak, parehag na pangani Ayla. Kaya siya, sige, usa ka picture.
Stick to ha.
Dalam sa baba. Kung kasama daw, balo ko rin ka magpa-picture.
Ha?
Balo daw siya nga dili na magpa-picture dad.
Ano ba kate?
Hindi na ko.
Pag-anak nga tayo, parehas na pangani mong anak ko na.
Say good night. Good night, tita. Good night. Good night, everyone. Pagkatapos kumain ng dalawa, pumunta dun sa labas kasi may crab daw silang nasagasaan kanina. Nagbagi kasi to sila papunta dito.
You got a crab?
Are you using your hands?
Crab hunting.
Oh my god.
Dahil ako kay Tiawan eh.
Sobrang laki.
Pagdako.
Nasagasaan daw nila yan sa sa...
You crab.
Are they real crabs? Let me see. Let me see, Dada. See? What?
Oh, kuon din, murag shell mo kuon.
Murag shell.
Ay, lalo. This one's a unique one.
Alright, I'm gonna put...
big one on the way. Now.
Ah, okay. So that's not the one you ran over.
Is that a snail?
No, yeah, that's a snail.
That's a big one.
Daddy, Indy's gonna sleep. Say goodnight.
Daddy, look at the crab.
Good night.
Don't touch Indy.
Daddy, can I see?
Doko ko uy.
Alright. No, I'm not scared.
Bye, Daddy. By daddy niya, ang kita daw. Snail pa
Where's daddy?
Mommy, make sure you don't touch the biggest one. It's like, or eat the big one. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my God. The heck.
I know what you're doing. I'm the biggest. I'm the oldest.
Mami na ni Ayla. Pas kay mga dito kay mga.
Mommy, make sure you don't touch the big one. Where's daddy? Oh my god!
Ikaw kasi.
Do you need some medicine?
Take na kayo
Let
ba?
me show you what's happening. Oh my god! Oh my god!
I just needed to know, I think.
Oh yeah, Wi-Fi.
Don't listen